Alright, what's up people? I've made it to King George V skate park in London, East London, kind of near London City Airport, where Betong Park have kind of made these skate dots or skate obstacles on some really nice flat tarmac. I tried to combine bike and overground trains to get here, but it still took me an hour and a half from North London, mostly because I probably spent about 20 minutes waiting for the lifts at the major stations like Farringdon. So I would say the best way to get here is actually just by the DLR, and you want to get off at Prince Regent. Do not get off at King George because you will have a very long walk. So Prince Regent is the closest station to King George V Park. And from doing surveys of skate parks all across London, what we learned was there are so many not so much skate parks, but mini ramps built in parks in London called King George. So this is just one of many skate spaces inside a King George park, but this will be one of the better ones for sure. Cool. Oh, it's huge. I mean, flat ground space in London is so rare to have some nice flat ground. Yeah. What's all the scooters about?
This is, have you heard of Rubicon?
Yeah, Camp Rubicon.
Yeah.
Like this, Jeff.
Rubicon.
Oh,
yeah,
sick.
I'm one of Jeff's employees. I've been doing it for like 2.5 years.
Yeah, the logo, I can see it.
Rubicon. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so we're just doing like a skate parking here today, like
Awesome.
scooting, skating. There might be some confusion though, because no one's turned up for the first lesson, and no one from the council's turned up, so we're not entirely sure.
Postcode on the leaflet that went out is
Yeah.
wrong.
Is it really?
So that's probably why there's no one here.
Yeah, that explains a lot. Yeah.
So that would explain it. I love Camp Rubicon. They're doing great stuff, and normally when a new park opens, Camp Rubicon come in and do like the opening jam and provide all like the prizes and hype and everything. Anyway, so a vast amount of very nice smooth tarmac, and in the middle we have two obstacles. Nice. Two level, two tier, but it's still very low for a ledge even on this level. That's really nice because it keeps it mellow and people can get technical, and then it's still open to beginners. It's the Betong Park logo that we see on the end of the rails now. So a rail that is longer than average, but it's quite high, just a fraction too high. And this is the same bench that we have at Hainault skate park. Big up the watermelon wax underneath. But I love that they've gone for, so at Hainault there's two of these ledges. One of them is slightly higher than the other, and they've chosen the shorter one for this space. So again, it's really nice that they've done that, keeping it beginner friendly. Classic street obstacle, not built in, I don't think so anyway, just brought here for a bit of extra fun. And then again, a very long slappy curb. Oh, I'm loving the space here. Oh, hold on. So yeah, the edges go up into like a banked edge. I think that was natural in how it was before, so it's great that they've used that, because now you got like surf skates and just a lot of carving abilities, and they've chucked a rail on top here. I don't know if my mind is playing tricks on me, but I actually think this rail is lower than the other one. That's how we're measuring. Doesn't come up to my knee height. Here's a nice pocket to carve. And then again, Hainault's got this as well, but this is done differently here with a different run up to it. Access both sides. Wow. That's London City. So yeah, Jersey barrier, nice orange colour. Nice, I love the blue edging on this. Like colour, like having this little pop of colour, the blue and the orange in here is really nice. And the edge is all metal, so it's all grindable. And even better, the space underneath, which just allows you those hippie jump and like extra quirky tricks. Going down a slope, another slappy curve, exactly the same length as the other one, same height, same everything. And lastly, let's check out this thing in the middle. It's a funny shape. So we've got hip and bank. It creates a driveway that goes across, and then quarter pipes with no coping on this side. Yes, whippy. I am so hungry. I've left out one obstacle. Oh, there's the, sorry, look at the play park. It's got a cool bridge, swing, seat swing. There's the bike racks. I think they're bike racks. It's got a ping pong table. This is cool. Underneath. Fortunately, it does not go underneath, so maybe this is just for water or aesthetics to have a nice little hole underneath. Cool. I'm gonna have a little cruise around, probably start with the money pad, and I'll come back and get back to you. This is ridiculous. I can't look in. I'm being all wobbly today. Let's see if I can get that one instead. This is not a good day for 50/50s. And it's so funny because there's only one guy watching me and he's already in my head. And he's probably thinking nothing. He's probably thinking nothing at all. And I'm like, oh, that guy's watching me and thinks I'm a idiot. Oh, he just did what I've been trying for the past 20 minutes. So I should try. Give props to him. He's literally been sat there watching me try 50/50s for ages, and then he just comes and does it. Alright, on this slappy all I've got is a nose slide, but I would like a board slide.
let me try it. Yeah.
Today is not my day. I feel like I'm literally having a meltdown. Like I'm melting because of the sticky, humid heat. But I'm also just having a meltdown. I got nothing. Hopefully this guy can perform for you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I think he also put his phone out, so that makes me feel better. Oh dear. Let me see if I can at least get a manual across the mani pad. I think I just got to chill out and work on some flat ground because it's a nice flat area, so why not? I'll pop you up here and get some flat ground. Let's have a break. Sometimes there is a massive difference between expectation versus reality. So for instance, when I saw the mani pad here, I was like, yeah, you know what? I'm gonna come and I'm gonna like try kickflip manuals. And in reality, I've been here like an hour and I've landed one manual and I'm feeling too afraid to flip my board. But that was really nice, just a nice half cab over the hip. I've worked on some flat ground, so I'm happy. I was going to go on to Brampton Skatepark after this to skate the mini ramp, but I'm just so tired. Maybe I just need to get food and then decide what I want to do. Because I think that's the thing, I'm hungry, it's lunchtime now. I'm just trying to, decide if I want to flip my board before I leave or not, because the longer I leave it, the worse it's going to get. But also I feel like I want to regain kickflips on a wooden floor first. I don't know why, it just mentally I think would help me. But yeah, let's see. Let's do a few like 1 foot ones and see if I feel like committing. I'm gonna do it on the bank where I'm comfortable. Shoelace, but it was worth it. We can go home. I've probably got heat stroke. Definitely not going on to Brampton, but I will get some food. There you go. That's King George. Kind of semi worth it for the flat ground. Apparently this building does have toilets in, but it's completely shut. That blue one. Please note, maybe it's supposed to say no. No, I don't know. It definitely says public toilets in this building. Completely abandoned looking. And that I think that was a cafe. It's a real shame that it's not open. There's also a rail going around the outside, which is a nicer height than the rail in there. Crusty, crusty, crusty. Sorry, going off on a tangent, but yeah, if they could get this building up and running again, the cafe and the toilets, then this could be really, really good. It does again on this sign. It looks like it used to say no, because the way the public toilets is like pushed to the right, it looks like there was another word there, but it's been scribbled out maybe. Okay, thought I'd have a little look around the park before going back to the station. Adventure playground. What was that? Ooh. They also have lights all around the skate space, so maybe in winter there's gonna be the lights will go on, which will be nice. They look pretty new, so hopefully they are functional. Okay, that's it. Sorry, I've been rambling a lot, but that is King George V skate park by Betong Park. Careful about the location.